Hi there, in this video I will show you how to make habit tracker in Notion in calendar. So for this I created this table here and I added dates first. Then I created my habit, that is to make my bed, exercise and reading book. So the first section is done. I will go with the second habit here. So I added it to exercise. Now I go to edit property and here in type section I will scroll down and find checkbox. So I will choose checkbox and now it's done. Now I will do the same for the reading book. I will edit it and then I will choose checkbox here. So now it is done. Now you can checkbox if you done this habit in first day, then for the second day and then for the third day. Now I'm adding another habit here, which is to play football. Then I will go to type and choose checkbox. So or another habit is added. Now we need to add it to our calendar. So for that what you can do is click on table on the top left and then click on copy link to view. Now in right side we have three dots here. Click on it and now click on layout. So there you will find calendar option. Click on calendar and now you can see the habit is added in calendar. So today the date is 9. So the habit is added. So in this way you can track your habit daily in calendar Notion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.